I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming both accounts are ready. Sign into your Apple ID on the device and have your Google credentials at hand. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and go straight to Calendars or Internet accounts. You are not just entering info, you're granting permission so events can flow. Make sure two-factor authentication is prepared because you may need an app password. Now tap Add Account and choose Google to begin the secure link between calendars. You'll enter your Google credentials and explicitly allow calendar access. This is what lets Apple read and write events. After granting permission, enable the Calendars toggle and pick which specific Google calendars you want visible on Apple Calendar. Once selected, set fetch behavior. Push is immediate when available. Otherwise, choose a sensible fetch interval to save battery. Make sure default calendar settings match your preferred account so new events land where you expect. This step ensures two-way visibility. You should verify by opening the Calendar app and looking for synced Google events, then create a quick test event to confirm two-way sync. If events don't appear, make sure Internet is active and recheck credentials. Once done, toggle the Google account off and back on to force a refresh. If problems persist, sign out of the Google account and sign back in, or remove and re-add the account. This resets permissions. A single key tip: check calendar visibility filters. Hidden calendars won't show despite a successful sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.